Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok app language. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on three horizontal line that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you land on Settings and Privacy page, scroll a bit downwards and tap on Language that is on the Content and Display section. On the Language page, tap on App Language. Choose the language you want to use on the app. Once you choose the language, tap on Done. So that is how you change your app language on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.